Buy your favorite MLBB skins with promo diamond, or you can say for free, because you can collect the promo diamond by completing the daily mission. As you can see, any of this skin you can buy for 1 diamond. Along with this 1 diamond, you need some promo diamonds. In my previous MLBB video, I talk about how to collect your promo diamond for free. Now from today, you can use this promo diamond to buy your favorite skin. The event name was Promo Carnival. The Promo Carnival event has been end today. I have 900 promo diamonds, so I am going to buy skins with this promo diamond. To buy, go to this shop and choose your skin, then click purchase. I am going to buy this epic skin. Here click on use diamond option. Now as you can see, it will cost 1 diamond and 673 promo diamond. Now click OK to buy the skin. If you missed this event, then don't worry. By the end of this year, you can get the event again. So wait until then. So that's how you can get your favorite MLBB skins for just 1 diamond. Comment below which skins are you going to buy. Thank you for watching.